Greetings of the day to all the viewers. Myself Radha and welcome back to Compage. In the previous video, I told you about how to download Python on computer and I told you about one code also, how to manage Python, how to operate Python. So guys, there must be some questions like I told you on computer, so how to you know execute how to operate Python on mobile because some users don't have computer. So how can they practice Python? So in this video, I'll be giving you the solution for this only. You need to stay tuned till the end of the video, and you will get all the solutions of this question. So let's start our today's video. So guys, first to use Python on mobile, we need to download the Python app. So to download the Python app, you need to open Play Store first. Once you have opened Play Store, you need to type here PY and 3. PY stands for Python and the third version of the app. To search it. Here you will get the app of PyDroid named PyDroid 3. You need to install it. This is the I think this app is the one that I used when I did have the computer. So it's downloading. Once you have downloaded it, you need to open it and it will ask for some questions. I'll show you how to fill it. Now let's start. And what is the experience in programming? So I am not absolutely new to Python. I have done small projects, so I am selecting the second option. So I did small coding projects. Continue. Now the question is, what are you planning to use PyDroid 3 for? So the options are learning. I am planning to learn Python 3, hobby, or professional work. So I'm learning Python, so I'll click on learning. I'm planning to learn Python 3 and you need to allow all these things and continue. Now, what type of programs are you planning to run? Simple terminal or web programs, graphical user interface program. I am new to it. I am not new to it. I'm a beginner, so I'm doing simple terminal or web programs. Continue. Now it's asking for that. So here's the coding screen. You are on Python. Welcome to Python on mobile. I'll be showing you one code. So I'll be writing a simple code and I'll be explaining you how this works, how this whole process works. So first we need to take a variable and equate it with int. Int is the integer value that we will be taking from the user. So int, then bracket open, input, because you will taking a input. Yeah. Input, then bracket, then quotes, enter a number, quotes and double brackets. Then now we will be applying if only if statement. I'll be showing you today because I am explaining you the basic of Python in this video on mobile. If x is more than 10, if x is more than 10, bracket and colon, print bracket colon, quote, the number is more than 10. Just a simple code. This is only the code I'll be showing you today. It's the simplest code. And at the last, print, then bracket. We can add the code we want. We can extend the code also. It's not necessary. We can add extra statements. Print thank you and bracket close. Okay guys, so now I will saving this file first. First I need to save this file. I'm saving this new file.py and now I'm running it. So it's asking me for entering a number. So enter a number. Let's say I'm entering number 50. The number is more than 10. Thank you. So it also printed thank you because thank you is outside the if condition. I'll be telling a fact that the statements outside the conditional statements are printed or executed. Without being executed, they are true or false. this is some complex language. I am telling you simple language. I am saying that if without a colon I am entering it, let me show you. There, see, here I have applied a colon. If I erase this colon and enter it, it will make me to the starting, right? But if I apply a colon here and make it, it will make me here. I have explained you this in the previous video. So when I write a statement below any condition, it will print that statement as it is if the colon is not printed. Understanding? I hope you are getting my point. If you have any questions, you are free to write any question in the chat box, and I'll be in the comment box, and I'll be replying you the answer of that question in the next video. So I have tested this condition for the number is more than 10. Now let me show you if the condition turns out to be less than 10. If the number is less than 10, so what will it print? Let me save it first because it's showing a star to be here. I'll save it. Now it's saved. Now it's start. Now suppose if I put a number, I'll say 6 and print it. It prints thank you. I'll be telling you the reason. The reason behind it is that I haven't created any condition that if the number turns out to be less than 10, what will the code print? I explained you in the previous video about if-else statement. For me, for the code to print the answer that if the number is less than 10, I need to create a condition named as else. Then only that code will be executed. That's why this code is showing only thank you, because the if statement is turning out false. It's turning out false, so it's cancelling it and moving to the other condition, that is print, and it's only printing thank you. I hope you got my point. If I am saying again, if you have any questions, please write it in the comment box. I'll be answering it. Now I have explained you about int. In the next tutorial of Python, I'll be explaining about one more tag like int, but it has different feature. I'll be explaining you in the next Python tutorial, and the next video is on HTML, so be ready for HTML. Thank you and have a nice day.